Hi guys, what's up? So today we're going to talk about problem that is very irritating. We want to show our WhatsApp on Windows, maybe in the desktop application or in the WhatsApp web. But when we try to scan the QR code, it doesn't read it. Somehow it goes a bit quirky or something. So we need to make 3 little steps, very simple. I will show you in this video how to do it. So we can use WhatsApp on our Windows PC machine. Okay, let's see the problem. We have our WhatsApp, this, and we then need to go to the 3 little dots, connected computers, we press on it, and then we want to connect a device. We press on it. So here's the QR code that we need to scan on our Windows PC, like this. So WhatsApp, specifically on the desktop, but it can be also on the web. It's the same thing. When we click it, so it says that we need to scan it. So this is what I'm going. You remember we have the scanner open in the WhatsApp application on our phone, and we try to scan it, but it doesn't read it. So what we are going to do is a simple thing. So we go to the WhatsApp and we go to settings and then press on the compatibility tab. On the state of compatibility, we're going to click it and choose Windows 7, compatibility for Windows 7. And then we press on apply. Let's try to open it. When we click on it, now what we're going to do is to try to scan it again. So here is our phone, the scanner, and let's scan. Oh, now we see it is working. Amazing. A simple solution to a very annoying problem. That's it. So I hope this video helped you a lot to solve this idiot problem. If it did help, thumbs up.